Yeah. Bulong gaya na ba? Shit. Hey yo niggas, why you running? You gotta say something, dog. Hey yo Jess, what you say, dog?
I'm chill, bro. I'm chill. Like, you know the vibe, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
for sure, man.
Pushing girls down, eh? But I'm feeling chill, bro, man.
Okay.
Show them the view, bro. Show them everything.
Shit.
From that side.
Yeah.
Damn! That side.
Yeah, how about beach, gang? What be beach, I mean?
What are you saying, bro?
Man, I'm chilling.
Where we at? Where we at?
We in a whole bed right now. I'm gonna say,
Later success, make noise.
show for show.
Ah, bro.
Chilling, eh?
Do something, though.
Tell me what you doing, bro.
This is something in the vlog, man. I'm gonna ask you.
Oh, I see some baddies,
You
bro.
them and I drink. No man.
Yeah, hopefully.
They're not gonna agree to my phone, ya niggas.
What?
Right, though. Hello, guys. Please.
Aisha. Aisha. You look good though.
What's the premise mo yun?
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Now we try, guys.
What happened?
Hey, we did our best, but they don't like speaking, they don't like camera, period. So man,
Damn.
it is what it is, man.
No number.
I haven't asked for number. We didn't get there. But
Oh, you there for the boat touch?
Don't want to go. That's like
Yeah.
and try
Go to
something.
drink, my bro.
So basically, yeah, man, that's it, man.
Careful, my G. Careful, my G. For him. Nice spot forward. Forward. The view's crazy, dude. Oh, you scared? For real, this thing is scary as fuck. How we gonna go back? Is there a way? Adolf, come, make a vlog of this. Go. Damn. That nigga stuck there right there. Nigga can't even move. He's stuck. Yo, dog, the weed's crazy, bro.
Bro, this bro is stuck here. Jump. Hey, bro, yo, bro, this bro, yo, don't trust you. You make me scared, man. Let that boy subscribe my team.
Bro wants to knife, bro, man. Nah, let's go, guys. Must give him a space because this bro wants to knife, bro.
Oh, let's go.
Freaky ass nigga. You a freaky ass nigga. This two niggas is stuck. One, two, there we go.
Yo, bro. My slipper was slippery, you know that.
Niggas are leaving me.
Let's go.
Yo,
Push me up here. Push me up, right? Hey, where you guys following, man?
yeah.
Yo, bro. Let's see, man. Check the. Yo. Oh, they're leaving now, né?
Nigga walk, nigga walk.
Hello. Can you please say hi to my channel? Please, just hi. Your face could get me more views. Thank you, man. What you say, man? Bam, 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 bam. Bro, your nigga just walking here, even say nothing, gang.
Ah, bro. She's chilling.
Bro,
Show them the view.
man, don't say.
Making money, Monday, man. Making money. Monday to Friday.
I'm so touched. Don't expose you. When I expose you, no. Man, these niggas, the border is safe, yo. These niggas bored, young, lie. Man, it's just walking and shit, man. It's just getting empty. Why it's getting empty? Because shut up, 6, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, people bought live.
Turn the camera around. Show them the inside.
I will show rape, yeah. They know, they who the fuck know. They know from Harvard. Just come to my jail.
Hi, lady.
Bro, right? There
Nah,
was few ladies who were sitting here. Where are they again?
I think it's
I'm not from South Africa. I moved basically here like 2 years ago. My friends here like from South Africa. Like, I love this fucking place, bro. I was about to put that whole thing.
Hey, I just get you on a few days. The shooting, there's a cameraman in the plane. Yeah, what you say, man? Bro, promote yourself, promote yourself. Promote your brand, brother.
You shooting up YouTube from YouTube.
You gotta promote, you need more sales, man. Yeah, you gotta promote yourself, yeah. You ain't saying nothing, bro. Shy, though. I probably didn't understand what I mean when I said promote himself. Just that love.
Probably she's speaking my language.
You know, so Nah, but when I said you're gonna make more sales, you start laughing. Oh, more sales. But it was already there. Anyways, yeah. What's up, man?
Tell the people what was on Friday? What was on talk on Friday? What you make?
Bro,
$1,000.
bro.
Nah, bro, man. This bro is a problem, man.
Coaches of Outbay. He's one of the coaches in Outbay, one of the best coaches, I guess.
Let's go check him.
The rich man.
He's one of the best coaches in Outbay. Say hi to the vlog. Outbay Hurricanes?
Hold them now.
Yeah, I see some mommies over there. Hopefully mix me slide now. Yeah, I think they're gonna go home.
Hello guys, how are you? You guys trying to say hi to our vlog?
Ah, what?
Yo, he goes
What the
inside.
fuck? Wait a minute, hold it. What?
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Whoops! Mr. Whoops! What do you have to say, bro?
What a naughty shop. Fuck my hopes.
Okay, let's bet, nigga. If I jump, how much you gonna give me? Nigga? Nah, nothing, bro. How much you gonna give me?
5 bob. 5 bob is fine?
Let me. My boy is ready to swim now.
Yeah, we're trying to swim right now. But the water's kinda cold.
Yeah, man, what you say, though? You ready to swim?
Nah, bro.
It's polo, bro. Only me who go swimming today, honey. I like swimming on the beach, man. I like swimming in the pool, you feel me? It's just how expensive we are, man. Fuck it all. Fuck 18, man. Don't play. Bro. I can swim with the shirts on. Go put your shirt on. It's cold. It's cold. Swim on. Take your shirt off, man. Take your shirt off, bro. What do you mean? Take your shirt off, man.
Wanna swim, bro?
It's just me, man. It's just me, baby. It's just me, baby. X-Mix, baby. It's just me, baby. Me, baby. Bro, y'all niggas crazy, man. Look at this, nice. My blue. What's up? What you do, YouTube? I know what to do, man. It's your boy, Trinkstar X-Mix. So yeah, man. This is the outro, you know. Unfortunately, we couldn't shoot yesterday the intro when we were at the beach, but yeah, I'ma put everything on the outro, man. So yeah, man. Yeah, yesterday was a beach day. It was crazy. And today, I kind of how to, you know what I'm saying, I'm planning to go and take maybe party to vlog, man, for the beach thing, but nah, man, you know, we're gonna keep it low key. And yeah, I got here.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy. I'm with CB. It's your boy, guys. Remember me? It's your boy. Guys, we are shooting a vlog from was like yesterday, but doing an outro, ne? As outro.
Yeah.
Doing an outro, but yeah, guys. See you. Please get us likes, 10k likes, subscribers 10k, and views 10k. Come on, people. We're doing it for you.